side of Boulder City, at our pre-staging for our trip down the Colorado River, right below the Hoover Dam, with Evolution Expedition. We've got our driver Aaron, and there's Maddie, our guide. We'll get more of her later.
If there's any coloration on the rocks from algae, it's going to be very slick. So just get low, and we'll give you guys instruction when we get down.
Rock. We have only 4 more miles to go. It's been just a great, leisurely, awe-inspiring paddle.